Are you looking to manage your products more efficiently in HubSpot? In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to create products in the product library. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add, manage, and organize your products so you can save time and improve your sales process. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your main dashboard, go to the Sales section in the top navigation bar, then select Products and Quotes, or simply click Products from the drop-down. Here, you'll find your product library, which is where all your products and services are stored. To create a new product, click the Create Product button. Now, you'll need to fill in the essential details. Name. Enter the name of your product or service. SKU, Stock Keeping Unit. This is optional, but helpful if you track inventory. Description. Briefly describe your product so your sales team knows exactly what it is. Price. Enter the standard price and select the currency. HubSpot also supports multiple currencies if your account has them enabled. Billing frequency. Choose whether the product is a one-time charge or a recurring subscription. Once you've added the necessary details, click Save or Save and add another if you want to create multiple products at once. Your newly added product will now appear in the product library. From here, you can edit product details anytime, duplicate products for similar items, associate products with quotes and deals to streamline your sales pipeline. If you have a large catalog, you can also import products in bulk using a CSV file, making it much faster than adding them one by one. That's it. Your product is now live in your HubSpot product library and ready to be used in quotes, deals, and reporting. And that's how easy it is to create products in the product library in HubSpot. Keeping your product list up to date not only saves time, but also makes your sales process more accurate and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want me to cover any other HubSpot features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.